How to build unshakable confidence, step by step. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And like any muscle, it grows with effort, pain, and consistency. Step 1. Talk to yourself like you talk to someone you love. Cut the self-hate. You're not weak. You're growing. You're not behind. You're learning. Every time you say, "I'm not good enough," you're lying to yourself. Tip 2. Cut the noise, stop comparing. The internet shows highlights, not hard nights. Your path is different. Your pace is valid. Mute the world for a while and listen to your own voice. Do hard things on purpose. Take the uncomfortable path. Say yes when you're scared. Speak when your voice shakes. Because confidence doesn't come from comfort. It comes from facing what you're afraid of. Stack tiny wins, make your bed. Read one page. Wake up early. Say no to junk. Every small win is proof. I said I would, and I did. That's confidence. Repeat even when no one's watching. Don't wait for applause. Don't seek validation. Be the person who claps for themselves. Because real confidence isn't loud. It's silent, steady, and unstoppable. Confidence isn't a gift. It's a decision you make every single day. So start today. Start small, but start anyway. Comment below. Which step are you starting with? I'm here reading and replying. Like if this hit home. And subscribe for more truth that builds you up.